In this video, I'm going to show you how to pick up stitches for the left shoulder. This is the back, and you will have to pick up stitches here, from here to here. I take my needle. Here I have got, I think, 34 stitches, but I have to pick up 40 stitches. It means that I have to pick up some more stitches. Instead of one per stitch, I have to pick up like 5 stitches, then 1 stitch more. Usually I pick up in between the 2 stitches. So I start here, my first stitch, 1 apart, and then I pick up 5 stitches in between 2 stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for the 6th stitch, instead of picking up after 1 stitch, I pick up in the stitch because I have to pick up 1 stitch more. 6 stitches. So again, I'll repeat, I pick up 5 stitches in between 2 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, for the 6th stitch, I pick up inside the stitch, and so on all the way to the left. Here I've already worked some rows for the right shoulder, and you can see how it looks afterwards.